How to make a wiggle text animation After Effects. This is really easy to do. First we need to use the type tool. You can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl T for it. Now click on the preview and type what you want. Set now the text in the middle with a line. You need also set the angle point in the middle of the text. Now open the text layer and then hit the animation icon and select position. Make now the position value 9,9. Now open the animator and hit the add icon. Then go to the selector and select wiggle. You can also change the position value for a better result. Go now to the effects and presets and search for the plugin Glow. Change the glow radius to 70 and change the glow intensity to 0.5. We need also add the drop shadow plugin for a nice result. Go to the effects and presets and search for drop shadow and add it to the text layer. Now make the distance value 13 and make the softness value 11. Drag the drop shadow plugin above the glow plugin for a better effect. The last thing we need to do now is turn the motion blur on to make it much smoother. There you go, you have now created a wiggle animation After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.